Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
NURTW headers give national body 7 days to withdraw MC Oluomo suspension. The Lagos State Council group of headers of the National Union of Road Transport Workers has asked the national body of the union in Abuja to withdraw the suspension of its Lagos State Chairman Musiliu Akisanya, aka MC Oluomo, within 7 days. The headers issued the ultimatum in a letter to the national body of the union dated March 14, 2022, made available to our correspondent on Tuesday. They also asked the national body of the union to withdraw a letter appointing another chairman for the Lagos State chapter of the Tricycle Owner and Operation Association of Nigeria. The letter was titled Resolution of Lagos State Council of NURTW Header Forum on the Current Crisis in the Union. It was co-signed by Samuel Jonah, Alao Ademuyi, Alamu Otegbeye, Bola Lemboye, and Stephen Fanusi. The letter read, following the recent crisis rocking the union in the state, the header of the union met and resolved as follows. In order to close the tension, the national headquarters should withdraw the controversial letter of appointment of another chairman for Keke Marua, Tricycle, and Dakar, and not be two state chairmen in one state council. There is no such provision in the union constitution. Revoke the suspension letter of the state chairman, which we view as unwarranted at their period in the history of our union. Finally, we expect the withdrawal of these two letters within 7 days to enable us conclude the settlement of this crisis once and for all. The Punch had reported that the national body of the union last Thursday suspended Akisanya following week of protracted conflict and leadership tussle. The national body has accused Akisanya of resorting to intimidation, harassment, and assault on a newly appointed chairman, Tricycle Owner and Operation Association of Nigeria, Asis Abiodun, aka Istijaba. But Akisanya refuted the claim that he instigated members of the union to assault Abiola. He had, however, noted that the legality of the joint operation in the state is a subject of the suit pending before the National Industrial Court.